Hey guys, and welcome back to Gadget Guide channel. Today's videos show some top 5 best digital pianos in 2023 are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits and price. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put a list of the best digital pianos from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive research, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you are curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Number 5. Pyle Digital Piano. 88 keyboard keys. These portable electronic piano keyboard home digital pianos are equipped with 88 standard keyboard keys and built-in full-range stereo speakers with simple electronic plug-in operation, so you can play a wide range of piano pieces. Preset selectable tones. Features: 129, preset selectable tones, 128, preset audio rhythms, and multifunctions including record, rhythm, demo, metronome, drum kit, dual voice, dynamic switch. Has an integrated button drum pad for drumming effect. Bluetooth connectivity. Pyle Professional Piano Keyboard 88 keys is compatible with Bluetooth to connect to mobile laptop piano, GarageBand, or Perfect Piano. Works with today's latest devices like smartphone, tablet, laptop, computer. Record and playback mode. The electric keyboard 88 keys digital musical keyboard allows instant audio recording and playback, so you can review and monitor your performance. Perfect for learning practice/home theater, living room performances. Foldable design. This music keyboard 88 keys features a foldable design and comes with a piano bag for portability and easy storage. It is also equipped with a built-in high-capacity 3.7V Li-ion 1100 mAh rechargeable battery. Includes sustain pedal. Number 4. Donner Digital Piano. Semi-weighted digital piano. The DP10 digital piano with 88 half-weighted hammer keys simulates the real touch of playing the piano. Half-weighted keys reduce the sense of strength than full-weighted keys, for more sensitive touch response to suit different playing styles, suitable for beginners. First place metal. Various sounds of instruments for complex sounds. The 88-key semi-weighted keyboard can switch between the sounds of 8 instruments, which allows you to play as many complex songs as you want. In addition, you can play the sounds of 2 instruments at the same time. First place metal. Multiple beat control with recording mode. All is for meeting players' different demands. Metronome with 4 types of beat for controlling the rhythm. Effect control for selecting trill effect/suspension/DSP effect. Recording mode for storing or arranging the music. First place metal. Excellent sound quality. Weighted keyboard equipped with pedal and audio input and output, 2 built-in 25W maximum speakers, and MP3 player. Bring you a richer and better practice and performance experience. First place metal. Modern design. Sophisticated craftsmanship brought out streamlined piano body and textured keys, giving you an extraordinary playing experience, especially suitable for you to enjoy the beauty of music. Number 3. Alesis Digital Piano. The ultimate beginner's electronic keyboard piano, electric piano with 61 premium full-size semi-weighted keys with adjustable touch response to suit your preferred playing style. Premium sounds, 10 voices, including acoustic piano, electric piano, organ, synth, and more, built-in FX, chorus, reverb, and 2 built-in 20W speakers that deliver crystal clear, room-filling sound. Connectivity covered. 1/4 inch sustain pedal input, not included. 1/4 stereo headphone output for private practice and stereo RCA outputs for connection to speakers/amplifiers. Play keys anywhere. Power via the included power adapter or 6D cell batteries, not included, for professional piano performance wherever you are. Powerful educational features. Standard, split, layer, and lesson modes with 128-note max polyphony and Scoof 3-month premium subscription for expert interactive online piano lessons. Interactive piano lessons included 60 free virtual lessons from Melodics and 2 months of free live video lessons from Take Lessons, where you can interact and learn from an expert instructor. Number 2. Casio PX Digital Piano. Dimensions: 55.08 inches by 11.77 inches by 31.54 inches. Weight: 74.08 pounds. The PX870 features a variety of 19 instrument tones, with the ability to layer and split them as needed. Touch response: 3 sensitivity levels, off. With a generous 256 notes of polyphony, you can rest assured that even the most complex performances will sound perfectly natural. The tri-sensor scaled hammer action 2 keyboard has an incredible feel and captures the dynamics of a performance with unparalleled speed and accuracy. The powerful 40-watt for speakers system is designed to envelop the listener, audience, and room with rich, detailed sound. The volume sync EQ ensures that you hear a balanced, clear sound across the entire frequency range at any listening volume. Class-compliant USB connectivity allow the piano to be used with a Mac or Windows computer without the need to download drivers. The Air Engine provides highly accurate grand piano sounds with seamless dynamics for a remarkably expressive and powerful performance. Number 1. Yamaha Digital Piano. Yamaha CFX and Bosendorfer Imperial piano samples bring two of the world's finest and most prominent concert grand pianos to your fingertips. The piano room lets you choose from a variety of pianos and acoustic settings to create your own personal piano environment. Virtual resonance modeling (VRM) allows for vivid and richly varied expression to reflect the limitless number of factors that create the sound of a concert grand piano. Natural wood keyboard action with escapement and synthetic ebony/ivory keytops utilize specially dried wood to provide the same response and feel of a grand piano keyboard. Key-off samples deliver the delicate change in sound the instant the damper falls back to the string number of polyphony, max 256. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and don't forget to comment below. Check out the description and first comment to find the product links. Thank you so much for visiting my Gadget Guide channel.